Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add sound effects to video transition in CapCut. So here I've already add transitions to my edit like this, and if you want to add like some dramatic effect, you can add sound effect. So place the white line in where the transition began, so in here. And after that, go to audio, click on sound effects. Here, click on the keyword, or you can just find one to match with the transition. So in this case, I'm going to find the paper sound. Okay, sample this one. Let's hear it. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on the plus icon and make sure that the sound effect match with the transition. Okay, let's trim it like this, and you'll be done. This is the result, and that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.